Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Just take a look at the first consultation of this patient. He has some upper anterior crowding, lower anterior crowding, upper teeth crowding, lower teeth crowding, difficult to smile, her lip have to be protruded, the teeth make her feel uncomfortable when she smile, trying to hire as much a teeth as possible when she talk. And so this is something that most patients have consciousness about their teeth when they don't feel good about their smile. However, after a couple of years of treatment and finishing up the end of the result, you're going to see how beautiful the smile, her teeth look now. And she's pretty happy. And we did the quick video and recommend people who have issue with consciousness about their teeth, whether it's crowded, upper teeth crowded, lower teeth crowded, crooked teeth, chipped tooth, cracked tooth. Get a consultation. Your dentist can take care of you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your journey with your dentist. Take care. Bye bye. Right.